Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I have another DIY for you today, and for this DIY we only need 4 ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started with this mask. I have about 2 teaspoons of oats in here, and I just took the regular oats and put it in the grinder, so it's a little bit finer, easier to work with. I'm gonna go ahead and add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric in here. I'm gonna go ahead and add about 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey in it. I'm gonna go ahead and add about 2 teaspoons of yogurt. And I'm going to mix it all together. This is a very hydrating mask, especially in the winter time. Using a brush, I'm going to go ahead and apply it all over my face. And as always, it is always a good idea to patch test before applying anything to your face. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about this mask. If you've noticed, I like to use turmeric in almost all of my masks. Not only is it anti-inflammatory, it is full of antioxidants, which gives you brighter skin and improves your skin complexion. We all know how amazing honey is for our skin. It preserves moisture in our skin cells and hydrates and nourishes at the same time. It also contains powerful antibacterial properties that gently cleanses the skin by killing off bacteria that causes acne. Yogurt contains lactic acid, vitamin B, zinc, and calcium. All these nutrients help fight premature aging. Yogurt also contains probiotic enzymes that nourishes your skin and tightens your pores. Oats help by absorbing excess oil on your skin's surface, but it hydrates and moisturizes dry skin by locking moisture into your skin cells. I'm going to go ahead and leave this mask on for 20 to 25 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off with warm water. I went ahead and washed my face with warm water, and honestly my face feels so smooth right now. I'm going to go ahead and take this Mario Badisco facial spray, and I'm going to spray it all over my face. And as usual, I'm going to press it in. Once that's all pressed in, I'm going to go ahead and grab my waterful cream from Misha, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Ciao!